Hello everyone, my name is Amira Darwish and this is Project 1 for my Mechatronics class under Dr. Yasser Ismail. The purpose of this project was to construct and control a robotic manipulator using PSOC and servo motors. The servos were programmed to rotate between specific angles with appropriate delays to ensure smooth and precise movement. The system was designed to perform accurate and reliable operations, enabling the robotic arm to handle tasks with high precision. Extensive testing was conducted to optimize the performance, ensuring consistent and efficient functionality under various conditions. For this project, you need to download certain softwares like the PSOC Creator and Python. Starting off with the project for design, we have built the PWM. All right, for PWM1, we have connected it to servo 1. For PWM2, we connected it to servo 2. We as well added a clock and a 0 reset button, and we changed it to 16 bits. Moving on to the PSOC pin configuration. For servo 1, we chose pin 7, and for servo 2, we chose pin 6. All right, moving on to the code. So the code was already provided for us. We have 3 parts in the code, one for theta 1, servo 1, theta 2, servo 2, and the last one is for the time delay. Starting off with theta 1, we have put in our angles. We want the servo 1 to rotate from 0 to 180 degrees, which is why we put 0 and 180 degrees. We can always toggle with these numbers to make it rotate whichever way we want. For theta 2, we want it to move from -90 to 90 degrees. And as well as theta 1, we can always toggle with these numbers. You can move it however you want to. Depends on the person's preference. All right, for the delay, we have choose 2 seconds, but you can always change this. You can make the time delay as however you want. All right, so that will be it for the code for the servos. And then moving on to the LCD design. Again, we did not have to do this for this project, but I did it, so I was like, might as well show y'all. This is design for the LCD screen, and then this is the code for the LCD screen. This code is to make it display an output. This is to display hello world, but we do not need this. We need it to display numbers. So it is displaying numbers now, depending on this code. All right, moving on to the project itself. Moving on to the project itself, so those are my servos. This is servo 2, this is servo 1. Those are the connections for it, the PSOC and the breadboard. And then we have connected an external power supply because my laptop is not supplying much power. All right, we can go ahead and plug it in. All right, so after plugging in the PSOC and giving it power, the servos are moving, as you can see. Servo 1 moving from 0 to 180, and servo 2 moving from -90 to 90. All right, moving on to the pin configurations. So this is servo 2. It's connected to pin 6. Ground and VDD. This is servo 1. It's connected to pin 7, ground and VDD. The PSOC is connected to ground, and then the power supply is connected to VDD and ground. The project is successfully working. Thank you all so much for listening. Thank you.